worst scenario is, for me, it's basically the people that are living at the petrol station. They had nothing to eat. They just came by and they were asking for food. They were asking for shelter. And it's just sad because they had to break through the petrol station to get food, and that shows that survival instincts kicked in. You will do whatever it takes to survive. So we want to provide as much as we can. The collection center is providing all sorts of things, especially clean water. Over there you have no clean water. You go to the toilet, there's no clean water. Imagine those people living on the hills, and they don't have water. This is a story of I think 300 people stuck on a hill that they can't access out. So they had to get a helicopter in and land on the hill and give them food. And then also they don't have clean water to wash all their daily businesses. They need to go to the toilet. They don't have a toilet. They got to do it in the forest. So it's bad. And they even have wild animals there.
Wakaf Masjid adalah hasil inisiatif yang mana kami reka nama tersebut dalam masa 5 minit, di mana saya daripada lebih aktif di Twitter dan Banjero Squad lebih aktif ke Facebook, dan kami gabung dengan projek RP untuk hantaran barang daripada barang sumbangan daripada Kuala Lumpur dan juga Melaka. Tapi apa yang kami hadapi ketika ini adalah kekurangan barangan sumbangan daripada pihak-pihak lain ataupun daripada pihak individu, ataupun kami tidak mengharapkan daripada NGO lain, di mana kami inisiatif sendiri, kami kumpulkan sendiri daripada wang sumbangan orang ramai, di mana kami terus beli barang-barang sumbangan dan kami terus hantar. Kalau nak salurkan sumbangan, anda boleh hadirkan diri sendiri, hantar ke Wakaf Masjid di Masjid Negeri Pahang, Kuantan, di Taman Gerang lah, senang cerita, kawasan tapak Expo Bazar Ramadan. Dan kami berada di situ daripada awal 9 pagi sehingga pukul 12.30 malam setiap hari sehingga banjir reda.
For me, it's not about volunteering. It's about social responsibilities. So when you put to yourself, this is actually a social responsibility, which is that when you live in a community and all, you have responsibility. So bila you rasa you ada responsibility, there is no need for you to volunteer anymore. It's the need for you to do it. So I really hope that everyone in Malaysia, semua kita berganding bahu bersama-sama untuk bantu mereka in terms of financial, in terms of apa-apa bantuan, we should be together and help everybody.